Hey guys, it's Kara, and I wanted to talk to you today about our heirloom box. People love this heirloom box because you can leave it out on your shelves or your desk, and it's super professional, looks very nice. The box is totally custom, so you can plan it out however you like. This one is a full bleed picture on the front. You put your name on the spine or the year, whatever you would prefer. And then this one we chose to do 4 pictures on the back. And then on the inside it has a little magnet so it closes perfectly. And then it comes with 12 matted prints. Let me see if I can do this so you guys can see. 12 gorgeous matted prints that you guys can frame by yourself or leave in the box. So here's a bunch of matted prints. So it comes with this acrylic easel that you guys can use and set it on a nightstand or whatever you want. And you can switch it out throughout the year so that you can have basically 12 different looks throughout the year. Or a lot of people have been getting the heirloom box and giving the 12 prints to different people. So it's kind of like 12 different gifts. And then the box, they like to keep for themselves as like a keepsake. So it's an empty box and you can put whatever you want in the box. I've had several people get the box as a newborn. So it's a newborn session. They get the heirloom box and then they give the matted prints away, keep the empty box and put the hospital bracelet in, a bunch of different paperwork and all the fun stuff. So the box will have the newborn baby on it and his name and all of that good stuff. So it's a fun box. It's really sweet with the baby's name on it and all of that good stuff. And it comes with the easel if you want to display their pictures. So really sweet. I've never seen custom boxes like that in a lot of different photographers' products. So if you like that and would like to see it up close or need any more information about it, let me know. I would be happy to help. And if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.